So now for the final part of sketching Biggie of WWE, our main focus will be on the three parts. First of all, how we use pencil sketches, or how we'll make pencil colors easily on any part of the ornaments or clothes or any other things. Second, the chest part, and the final part of left hand side of his shoulder and biceps. Now for the first part of reddish one, our main focus will be on how we will blend pencil color, or which colors we should use for making clothes. I will personally recommend that use pencil colors, because using pencil color you can make more and more shadows and highlights. What I mean about making shadows and highlights with pencil color is that if we will use just like on the right hand side of the red color, there is smaller parts which are more lighter red and smaller parts which are more darker red. So if you want to give those darker and lighter reddish parts, you have to use pencil colors, because you can add more and more shadows and layers to your pencil colors. But with sketch pens or any other colors, just like watercolors or any other colors, if you will use sketch pens directly, like you used red color directly, there is a one shade which will be 4B or 5B, and it will look totally dark. But if you will focus on your reference picture or any other picture, there are colors which are not completely red and not completely white. Upper part of the red one on this picture of Biggie are little bit lighter red. So many people can say that those are parts are little bit pinkish, but those are lighter red, not pink, lighter red, and downside part of the red, it is darker one. So if you want to give those parts more layer by layer thing, it is recommend that use pencil color. Hold your pencil layer a bit with less pressure, so that you can apply more lighter values as a base layer, and then go for darker red on the downside parts. Just keep on focusing on the details that you see, where are the lighter parts and where are the darker parts. Main problem with pencil color is that you have to keep on sharpening it every 5 to 10 strokes, because if you will use your pencil color after 5 to 10 strokes, it will give you totally darker looks, it will not give you more lighter values. And for blending those pencil colors, I recommend that use earbuds. Earbuds are the most important parts while blending those pencil colors, but I am not used to with the more techniques of pencil color sketching. If you know more pencil color sketching techniques, just comment down below. I will see those techniques and I will be thankful for you all. Now for sketching the remaining parts, like the middle part of the chest and the left side of the shoulder and biceps, our main focus there will be that how we will blend the highlight and the shadows. Because if you will focus that the upper part of the chest is little bit lighter as compared to downside part, so it is lighter but not totally white. Most of the people will see and say that it is totally white and leave it like the paper is totally white, and the more darker values you will give to your sketches, the other part will look more white. So if you will leave those parts totally white, it will look totally weird and it will not give you a realistic sketch. And so for that reason, you have to blend those whiter or highlighted values with your darker values. Use 5B or 6B pencil for the darker values, just like I have used as a base layer. Then I have blended it using a makeup brush. And main purpose of using a makeup brush is that you can blend it with your highlight parts also. While sketching, you can see the smaller dust particles on the 5B or any pencil. If you will use a graphite pencil as a base layer, first layer or third layer, you will see that while sketching or while shading, you will see small dust particles. And as I said in previous part, that no part of skin texture is totally white. So use a makeup brush and use those dust particles of those 5B pencils, just like the middle part of the chest where the darker values were. So use those dust particles from there and blend it on the highlighted parts or the whiter parts, so that it will give you a 2B or HB pencil look. and it will blended, or it will be also blended with the parts of chest or the middle parts, and that will be the most helpful thing while using a makeup brushes. I don't recommend using a blending stump on the skin texture, because those are most of the parts are a little bit pointed, and if you will incidentally use more pressure or on any other parts of your sketch, it will look totally weird and your total sketch or realistic sketch is ruined. So use makeup brushes, or you can also use tissues, but with tissues you have to apply pressures, and while applying any type of pressure on your sketches while making skin texture, your skin texture is highly on the downside part, or I can say that the darker parts. So use makeup brushes for blending those parts. Now the same technique that we used on the right part of the reddish part, the same technique will be used on the left hand side part, but the difference will be that I have used sketch pen on the yellowish part, which is on upside part, or the main line which is Biggie is wearing. So main purpose of using the yellow color as a sketch pen is that those yellowish part are totally white, or I can say that there are no highlight or shadows, as yellow color is originally a lighter color, it is not darker color. So if you will apply more lights or any other parts on the left hand side, it will not reflect lights, so that you can use the lighter parts which are directly sketch pens. You don't have to apply more and more shadows or highlights on the yellow color. But if you will focus on the right part of the yellow, they are a little bit darker on the down part, but on the upside part those are a little bit lighter. But on the left side part I have used sketch pen, and the only reason is that it is completely yellow and the lighter yellow, so there are no shadows and no highlights. Now as we all know that the right side shoulder on the previous part, we saw that the base layer will be 5B, then 6B and 8B for the darker values. Same technique I have applied on the left side part of the shoulder and the biceps. The main difference between the right side part of the shoulder and bicep on the left and the left side part of the shoulder and bicep is that left shoulder and the bicep are a little bit more highlighted, or what I mean by saying highlighted is that those are a little bit more brightened as compared to right hand side part, and the reason is obvious that light source is on the left hand side. So apply more darker values and more shadowed values in the parts which are more darker and the totally dark, and the difference is that upper part of the shoulder is layer a bit more darker as compared to downside part of the biceps. So you have to keep on focusing on the details where you see highlights and shadows. Don't use 10B pencil as we used in the right hand side part of the shoulder, where we have used 10B pencil for the straight lines which were connecting both the chest part and the bicep part. You can use 8B pencil for the line of the left hand side part which is connecting the chest and bicep, but I will recommend don't use a more than 8B pencil because it is more highlighted part, and if you will use more than 8B or 9B pencil for those darker parts, it will look totally weird and it will not give you a highlighted look which we want on the left side part of the biggie. Now focusing on the lighter parts, use mono eraser for making those highlights, and using blending stump, which is the smallest one, not the biggest one, the smallest one, and just blending those darker and smaller parts so that it give you more realistic look. Now for the final part, just blend it using a makeup brush and use it on every part so that it gets blended with every part of highlights and shadows. That's all for this part. See you in.
So if you have learned something from this video, subscribe and drop a like and comment down your question and queries regarding this tutorial. Meanwhile, take care of your loved ones too. Have an artistic day. Tattoos.